Kara. Say peaches. Oh, poor sick baby. Can you say peaches? Don't point to him. Say peaches.
Pizza.
Peaches.
Poop.
Poop. Did you poop?
No.
Then why'd you say poop?
Because.
Because why?
I don't know.
Well, I don't understand that. Say juice.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh what?
Uh-oh.
Say juice.
Juice.
Say potty.
Body.
Say milk. Why are you looking at me like that? Say milk. Bad table. Say hey.
Dada.
Hey Dada. I didn't tell you to say Dada this time. Hey.
Hi.
Hey Dada.
Hi.
Say Chloe. Can you say Chloe? Can you say Chloe? You don't want to say it? Stubborn. Say sick.
Sick.
Say I'm sick.
Bad, 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 bad.
Bad, bad, bad.
Bad, bad. Bad, 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 bad. Bad, bad.
Say toes. Say toes. Say toes. Kara, where's your eyes? Where's your nose? Where's your mouth? Where's your ear? Where's your belly? Where's your toes? Where's your hair? Where's your bow? Where is it? You don't know? No bow. No bow. No bow. Bum. Say sock. Say sock. Kara, say sock. Kara, say fork. Say bye-bye. Belly.
Belly.
Belly. Say bye-bye, Dada.
Bye.
Bye-bye.